So this is the question number 7 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So in this particular question, a text file has been opened. Okay, since no access mode is given, so default mode क्या हो गया आपका read mode. Now it has been asked which one is the correct statement to close it. So in order to close a file, first of all we need to be aware कि जब हम फाइल ओपन करते हैं तो जो फाइल ओपन करते टाइम हमें ऑब्जेक्ट मिला है, दिस इज नोन एज फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट, वही फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट की मदद से क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन क्लोज द फाइल एंड सिंटैक्स इज लाइक दिस, फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट डॉट एंड द क्लोज फंक्शन. So for this question, option number D is the correct one. Why? Because it is using the file object MyFile.close. This is the correct syntax for closing a text file in Python. Okay, now there is a question for you. What will happen if we do not close a file? So while doing programming on text file in Python, if we do not close a file, what will happen in that case? Okay, guys, then that's it for the day. Thank you for your time.